It's a sunny day. Okay, so we have a photo shoot. It is Sunday. Currently 6:52, 53. I set my alarm for 6 o'clock and I guess I snoozed it for an hour and I don't remember doing that. But we have to leave in 20 minutes, so this should be interesting. Okay, so we made it. We're in the car. How long do you think it took us to get ready?
28 minutes.
That's the fastest I think I've ever gotten ready. Like full face of makeup in my life. It's very stressful. So yeah, we are driving to Malibu right now. I think this is where the drive gets really pretty because we started driving through the mountains. But on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you about this photo shoot?
I'm a 10 because Nana's gonna have to jump in the Pacific Ocean and it's like 48 degrees right now.
Yeah, that's true.
That's gonna be amazing.
Well, here's a fun fact. Since we have lived in California, I have never gotten in the ocean. Not once. Never. Because I'm a little girl when it comes to that, and I don't like being cold. So I've never ever gotten in the ocean. But I told the photographer that I would get in the water for photos' sake.
Woo!
So I'm a little nervous.
Should be, it's me freezing. It's on. What does El Matador mean?
I don't know. As he says that to me. So we just wrapped our shoot. This is Ellie. She's awesome. She made us get in the water. It's really crazy. So this is the beach. There's a lot more people here now than there was when we started. But now we are done. We're gonna go see what Ava's up to. So, yeah. Okay, bye.
See ya.
When I stop and see you here, I remember all this.
Make a U-turn.
We're at Starbucks right now. See that? Starbucks? Hey, I can't go in. He's leaving.
Putting my shoes on.
Okay. That shoot was so fun and she was amazing. She, as in the photographer, was amazing. And now we've got to go home and get Ava and see what she's up to and plan the rest of our days. This is gonna be fun, right babe?
Do what?
It's gonna be a fun day.
Yeah.
So fun. Show me what you're wearing. Oh, yes. See, well, we made it back home. Hudson is getting a nice little suntan on the back porch. How is it, babe? So good. He's a good boy. Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
Okay, so today what we're gonna do is we're going on a bike ride. Ew, is that a pee? Yes. Ew. Okay, so don't mind that. Today, Teddy, come here. Today we are going to the to bike, and we are going to go to the park, and it is gonna be super fun. So yeah, that's how our day's going so far. So yeah, today has been a fun day for us. And so we're just gonna see you there and enjoy this vlog. today has not been the best day ever in my life, but it's totally been the goodest. Well, I've had better days than this, but it's pretty good.
Yes, it is. All right, guys. So we got Teddy here. We got Ava on the bike with me. She's ready. Hudson's got his bike. We're about to bike
To the small park.
to the park together.
Not the cafe.
And it's gonna be so fun.
Like, so fun. And it's gonna be so long. We're not going to the one that's next to ours. We're going to the one that is the small park.
Yeah, small
and
park.
it's so fun. Like,
Yep.
oh my goodness, like I can't even imagine.
There he goes. All right,
And
we'll
also,
check back in a sec.
bye. This is just a quick readown. Okay, so we're not quite at the park yet. I just wanted to show you how pretty this is.
Did you bring your wallet?
I know, pretty, right? So, yeah, that's what we're doing. Let me get his phone. Stay still. So, yeah. Okay, so guys, we made it to the park. Daddy, stop. Okay, so we made it to the park. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. It's pretty. Yeah, that's how my day is going.
How long are you gonna work on your J?
What's that?
Your jump shot?
I'm gonna work on whatever Dad said. I don't care what he said, but yeah. Let's take a video going on the slide. It's gonna be so fun. So yeah, guys, let's go a different way than this way. This way's kind of freaking me out. A little, get it? Freaky out middle. I'm gonna take a video going down the slide. If I already said that, sorry, but I'm just excited. No? You know, I might be crazy. If you guys watch Disney, have you guys heard, I know I might be crazy, but did you hear the story? Zombies, like, it's the best way.
Teddy, you want the ball? Yes? Ready? Go get it. Good boy. Good boy, Bubs. Go get it. Softball. Ava, you want to play with us? Come on. You want to throw it? He really likes it.
Nina and her vlog. Nina and her vlog.
Nina and her vlog. Guess what? Guess what?
What?
It's a sunny day. Really, not a single cloud in the sky. Muscles. No, please. Oh gosh. Whoa, did you see that? Hudson, I'm no good. I'm no good. Hey.
No questions here, woman. I didn't wish for anything.
You didn't wish for anything?
No.
No, why not?
Why?
You gotta wish.
I'm not telling you what I wished for.
Why?
Because I won't have a wish.
Look, I'm gonna take a boomerang of you. I'm gonna take a vlog of you.
Ba la la ba la la la
Wait,
ba la
hold
la.
on. No, it's too close. All right. Ready? 1, 2. Look at the camera and do something cute. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait, let's see. Let's see how it turns out. Oh yeah, there it is, right on the vlog.
Awesome. Awesome.
How that impacts this Cleveland team.
Guys, as you can see, today is a beautiful day. And never mind that. We are gonna experience the day of nature. Beautiful. I know. Boring. Beautiful. Beautiful. I just am so obsessed with the way that the nature looks because do you see behind me? It's so cute. Okay. Like as if. And I'm gonna go down this slide. I'm a little scared. And here I am. So I went down that pole and I came back down the slide. So are you guys ready to come down the slide with me? Here we go. Let's go. And skating. This is far. Okay. So, okay, that is far. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. Didn't mean to say that. Okay, kids, don't actually say oh my gosh, because that's bad. I just accidentally said that, so yeah.
A couple hours have gone by. Got back from the park and decided to take a little nap. Oh wow.
That's not good at it.
Seriously?
Alright, whose cartwheel is better?
Alright, do it again, both of you.
Ready?
You're like saying
Same time. Ready? 3. That you didn't do it. 1.
wobbly and like who was better? Who is better?
Well, anyways, so
Who is better?
we decided to go get
Tell us
pizza.
who's better.
Well, leave it in the comments whose cartwheel was better. So I think I'm just gonna close off the vlog right here. Will you guys close it off with me? Ava,
Yeah.
you gotta do your signature.
I'm trying to show you the back at it again. With the white pants.
Bye vlog!
Alright, thanks so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
And put whoever cartwheels are better, mine or Dad's.
Or mine.
Because
In the comment
Dad's is
section.
like this. Dad's is like this.
It's impossible to close out this vlog
Alright.
properly. So, yeah.
Hiya ninjas, what's chopping?
Bye vlog.
I have to say it's rude. Hi guys!
No. You're not allowed.
And you just
Sorry. Not allowed. Not allowed.